Hey Jason, do you have a best friend?
Hey Lily, yes, I do. His name is Mark. We've been friends since we were kids.
That's so nice. What is he like?
He's really funny and kind. He always makes people laugh. He's also very loyal and always there when I need him.
That sounds like a great friend. What do you usually do together?
We like to play soccer, go hiking, and watch movies. We also play video games sometimes. What about you? Do you have a best friend?
Yes, her name is Sophia. We met in high school and became very close.
That's cool. What do you like most about her?
She's very supportive and a good listener. I can talk to her about anything. She always gives me good advice.
That's important. It's great to have someone you trust.
Yes, and she's very smart too. She helps me with school projects and homework.
Mark is the same. He's really good at math, so he helped me pass my final exam last year.
Friends like that are the best. Do you talk to Mark every day?
Not every day, but we text a lot and meet on weekends. Do you and Sophia see each other often?
Yes, we meet almost every week. We like to go shopping, have coffee, or just hang out at home.
That's great. I think a best friend is like family.
I agree. They make life better and help us in good and bad times.
Exactly. I feel lucky to have a friend like Mark.
Me too. Sophia is like a sister to me.
Maybe one day we can all hang out together.
That would be fun. We could go to the park or have lunch somewhere.
Let's plan it soon.